Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Alright, so we will be diving into the world of Leonardo AI. It's an amazing tool that takes your creativity and productivity to the next level, and in this video we will be giving a comprehensive guide and tutorial on how to make the most of Leonardo AI prompts. Alright, so let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Okay? Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, let's have a quick overview of Leonardo AI for those who are new to it. Alright, so Leonardo AI is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on GPT 3.5 architecture designed to assist user in generating high quality content, brainstorming ideas, and much more. Alright, so the real magic behind Leonardo AI lies in its ability to understand context and produce human-like responses. Okay, so to get started with Leonardo, you will have to access to the platform. Alright, so first, once you're in, you will find a user-friendly interface that allows you to interact with the AI using prompts. So what is prompts actually? A prompt is simply an instructor or a question you give to Leonardo AI and it will generate a response based on that input. Let's come on this topic, how to choose the right input. So choosing the right input is crucial to get the desired output from Leonardo AI. So you have to make sure your prompt is clear, specific, and to the point. Alright, so the more detailed and precise your prompt is, the better AI's response will be. Let's walk through examples together. Alright, so before we start our examples, let me show you, this is the feature of Leonardo AI. And guys, if you want me to create a video how to create an account of Leonardo AI, please comment below. Okay, so I will go to my user tool section. Okay, AI image generation, so we'll click here and this is where the magic starts. And since if you're using a free plan of Leonardo AI, I suggest you to use one number of image. This is like a alternative of midjourney actually. Alright, so this is some fine-tuned model. I'll just choose Leonardo diffusion itself and Leonardo style. There's two options, Leonardo style or none. I'll just choose Leonardo style. Let's see how the prompt goes. Okay, so let's write few examples. Alright, so my first example is a portrait of cat in a holographic lighting. So let's see how the result is. Alright, it will take a while to generate the result. Let's see how the result is. Alright, and guys, I suggest you to leave your settings as it is. Okay. Alright, so we have seen this result. Oh my god, looks so pretty. Do you guys agree with me? So this is the exactly result that I wanted to have. See, my input is very simple, a portrait of cat in holographic lighting, and see how the output is, right? So it's very simple. It's just you need to put your input very simple to understand. Let's go with our second example. Alright, so I've put this input. Now let's see how the output is. Again, generate. So this is my output from Leonardo's. Okay, so this is the result. Alright, and guys, if you want to do some editing or what, then you can then you can edit in canvas, and there you go. You can edit how you want your picture to be. Okay, so I'll just exit the editor right now. Okay, and go back to AI image generation. Okay, so this is my output. Okay, so let's move on with our third example. All right. This is my input, and I have clicked generate, and let's see how the result will be. Alright. Oh wow, this looks amazing, guys. This looks really amazing. So good, so good. Especially I like the blue lightning. It's amazing, guys. Alright, so moving on to our fourth example. Okay, so I have entered my prompt already, my input. As you can see, this time my input is long. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna press comma here and type image so it doesn't get confused. Okay, and leave some space here. Alright, and generate. So let's see how the result is. So this is the output. This is just an example, and I like this output actually. But in case if you don't like your result from Leonardo, then you can just regenerate again. I hope you get the idea. Okay? Alright, so let's move on to our last example. Let's see how the result is. Alright, so this result is beautiful. Cat and a mouse. Okay, it seems that they're having some friendship conversation. Alright, so I hope you get the idea, guys, how Leonardo AI works. Okay, so we have given some prompts, alright, to generate an image, and we have got a beautiful result. So now let's move on to an interesting part of this video, which is called tips for better results. To get the most out of Leonardo AI, keep these tips in mind. Okay, first, experiment with different prompts to find the best fit for your needs. Alright. Second is be patient and literate on your prompts if the internal output isn't quite what you're looking for. Right? So you have to be patient and literate on your prompts. Number 3, use clear instructions and specify the desired output. Number 4, make sure of the temperature setting to control the AI creativity. Higher values like 0.8 will be more creative, while lower values like 0.2 will be more focused and deterministic. Okay, so you can see that my prompt magic strength is 0.4. It should be higher to control the AI creativity, right? So you can change your temperature setting to control the AI creativity from here. Prompt magic strength right now is 0.4. I'm fine with this result. If you want, you can make it higher. Alright, and the last tip, okay, remember that Leonardo AI is a powerful tool, but human input and creativity still play an important role in shaping the final result. Please keep these tips in mind. Okay, it's important if you face any problem. Alright, okay, and there you have it. So this is a beginner's guide on using Leonardo AI prompts effectively. Alright, so this tool has the potential to transform the way we approach creativity. Leonardo AI is a game changer, so you give it a try and let your imagination run wild. So that's it, guys, in this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, do like, share, subscribe and comment, okay, for more exciting videos. And until now, if you're watching, please drop a yellow heart or a yellow star. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Happy writing with Leonardo AI guys, and see you next time.